Hey guys, Ramiz here from Basan. Today I want to show you how to break down meal prep. Let's just say you have 8-9 orders you want to do for next 6 to 7 days. I'm going to show you how to make your protein, how to put the vegetables, and how to make the starch and then put it all together Basan style. You have the ingredients ready. I have the order in the back. I'm going to show you how to break it down. It's the cool thing. Let's get started. I'm going to go over the ingredients with you guys really quick. We have marinated chicken breast, Cajun tilapia, Cajun shrimp, chunks of chicken, fresh garlic I made myself, I like doing little stuff, sweet potatoes, baked potatoes, and I have fresh vegetables, tricolor peppers, we have a little broccoli, little baby corn, snap peas, scallions, olive oil, rice pilaf, and the most important thing is the prep meal containers. This video is not about a recipe, it's about the method. This is my meal prep. I'm gonna show you how I came up with a menu, how I put it together from protein to starch to vegetables. So when you're doing your own meal prep, you know you don't have to individually make them. You have to look at the menu as a whole. It's a cool way to do it and I'm gonna show you. Let's get started. So before we get started guys, I wanna personally apologize for my handwriting. It is what it is. Let's get started. So I have 8 individual orders here. I have 2 grilled chicken orders, 2 orders with chunks of grilled chicken, 2 orders with Cajun shrimp, 2 orders with Cajun tilapia. And with each order, I have a starch and a vegetable. But when I prepare meals, this is not how I look my orders. I look at them in this category because this over here is the most important part if you're gonna cook in large quantities. So I look at 2 grilled chickens, 2 grilled chicken chunks, 2 orders of shrimp, 2 orders of fish. So this is what my protein count is. That's what's gonna get done. Rice, you have 4 orders, so that's your count. That's what you have to make. 2 sweet potatoes, 2 baked potatoes, and sauteed vegetables for 8 orders. Once you have this count down and you start cooking, I don't look at any of this. This is all I need to know. If I have to delegate my workout, they have to make the protein, I'm gonna ask 2 shrimp, 2 chicken, 2 fish, and 8 vegetables, 4 rice, and sweet potatoes. That's how I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna show you how it's done. It's a little tedious, but it makes all sense. It's very simple. Let's get started. Start with the things that take the longest. Baking sweet potatoes and regular potatoes takes the longest, so you're gonna wrap them in foil. And I have the oven on. We're gonna put them in, and they're gonna cook while I finish everything else. So now I'm gonna get the fish ready, like a little olive oil. Tilapia. I like a lot of lemon, so I'm gonna put a lot of it in. I'm gonna prepare the pans. Just a little oil here. Get it, let it get nice and hot. So you don't want the chicken to turn gray. You want it to have like a nice char on the outside. Only happens when the pan is like nice hot. When you put it on, it seals it all off. I'll show you. It's awesome. You hear the sizzle. When it's ready, it's gonna do its job. So we're taking the protein at one time, and we're gonna saute the vegetables together. This is for the grilled chicken. Remember what I said about the pan being hot? This is the pan being hot. So once you put your protein down, you don't move it around. You let it cook for at least 2 minutes per side, so it has this nice char on it. You don't want your meat to look gray or white like it just got boiled. It needs to have this gorgeous, nice, crispy color on it that looks like somebody pan sauteed it. I'll show you, it's really hot. I need a little bit more. So if you see, this is what I was talking about. How gorgeous is that? Once you get this color, you know you did something right. So the shock and all I was talking about is this. You have to shock it. The pan has to be so hot that it seals all the crispiness of the spices, the dry rub that you put on it. And it's gonna be just amazing. The color of the chicken is gorgeous. You can't overcook it because you have to give it time to reheat. Because when you're gonna heat it again, you have to put it in the microwave. So you have to account for that. That's the most important thing. Put a little oil down, shrimp too. Just to give it that little shock. Heat up the pan. Okay, the oil is ready. Just gonna add shrimp. Set them down. For like 20 seconds, maybe 25 seconds. I'm gonna flip it really quick because I don't want to overcook my shrimp. I don't like them rubbery. Put a little garlic down because I like it. Lemon juice. That's it, guys. It's ready. Gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna add vegetables. Just a rough saute, not too much because they're gonna cook when you're gonna reheat it. So I just like to flash saute them. Put that in. Put a little seasoning mix. I have sea salt, red chili flakes, little fennel, little black pepper, and a little bit of garlic. Just mix it. I don't recommend you doing this off the bat because it takes a while to get here, but you can just use this food. I like to make things Busan style. Alright, so it's nice and sizzling. Has a little saute marks on it. A few more minutes and it should be coming out. But look how gorgeous the color is. This is exactly the fresh vegetables I want on my meal prep. The sun style. Guys, all the components are ready. We have the grilled chicken done, grilled chicken chunks, Cajun fish, Cajun shrimp, sweet potato, baked potatoes, sauteed vegetables, and my favorite rice pilaf. Now, on to my favorite part. Let's plate. That is the coolest thing of all. Let's get started. So we have the menu. I have to make 4 rice. The quantity has to match a meal prep size. About 4 ounce I put in. It's gonna get vegetable and protein. So we're gonna do 2 sweet potatoes, nice and hot. See, once everything is prepared separately and when you're putting it together, it gets done really fast. We're gonna do 2 baked potatoes. Alright guys, let's start putting it together. 1 grilled chicken we have with rice, and 1 grilled chicken we have with sweet potato. Grilled chicken chunks we have 1 with rice. So I'm gonna do 7 pieces, about 6 ounces. And the other one we have is with baked potato. So 1 tilapia is with rice, and the other one is with baked potato. Okay, so 1 shrimp goes over rice, and the other one goes sweet potatoes. Last step, about 2 ounces of veggies. Out of order. So you have 1 meal. About 2 ounces of vegetables in each container. Now to my last and favorite garnish, dry parsley. Makes the whole dish. I don't like to put any sauce. What I like is salt, pepper, lemon juice, and a little bit of olive oil. So, this is it, guys. Everything is plated. It looks gorgeous. Like I said earlier, this was not about a recipe. This is about a method of how you organize your orders. You take proteins, you take vegetables, and you take starch, and you cook them accordingly, and in the end you just build it all together. It gets in no time. It doesn't take 2-3 hours for you to do it. You get it done within an hour and a half. You're done for the whole week, Basan style. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll get you guys next time, Basan style.